Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your PC system information and then also your specifications. So this is very easy to do. The first thing we want to do is going down to the bottom left, and the easiest software depending on what you're looking for is just Task Manager. So open up Task Manager right here. And when we have this opened up, we can look at performances. And if we look at our CPU, we can see the name right here, the base speed, and then we got our memory, 48 gigabytes, the speed. Then we go down to our SSD SATA, the name of it, in the top right, and then we can find other information. Here's my NVMe SSD. Then we can go down my GPU. I can see this information, the driver date, the name. So this can give us a lot of information depending on what we're looking for. Now, another thing is if we go down to search and type in system information, open this up. This usually provides you a little bit more information about your PC. And just go to system information, and then we can scroll on down through this list. So we can see our system model. If we're trying to find like our motherboard, we got the manufacturer, or here's the baseboard, Gigabyte Technologies, or B450M. Then we can scroll on down under here. I have other information for my physical memory. Got my processor name, my system type. So got some more information there depending on what you're looking for. Now I think one of the best things overall is just getting this little program. So if we go to Google and type in CPU ID, go to cpuid.com, get this software right here, CPU Z for Windows, install it, and this is what I have in the background right now. So this provides me a lot of information about my computer. So the main is going to be my CPU right here. I can see the package, the socket AM4 something. The family, the core speed that's currently going on, the bus speed. I go with the main board. I can see the motherboard information, the memory, DDR4, 48 gigabytes. The speed, just times this by 2. SPD, there's more information on my RAM sticks. I can go to slot 1, 2, 3, and 4. I can see the manufacturer for my RAM under here as well. Then here's my graphics card, Zotac. The code name, technology, core speed, memory, size 8 gigabytes, type GDR6. So a lot of information about this. So just go and look through here. Hopefully this showed you everything you need to see. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.